Mrs. E. Gayatri received the Sangeet Natak Academy Award in 2002, the Kalaimamani Award from Dr. MGR on behalf of Government of Tamil Nadu in 1984, and a Lifetime Achievement Award from the Rotary Club Madras East in 2011. The Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, J. Jayalalitha, appointed Ms. E. Gayatri as Honorary Director of Tamil Nadu Government Music Colleges in Chennai, Thiruvayar, Madurai and Coimbatore in 2011. I now request our chief guest, Ms. E. Gayatri, to say a few words.
Thank Sri Venkatachalapati for inviting me here today for Chitra Mela 2015. It's coming up. I had a look at all the wonderful paintings, and the most powerful and positive vibrations I could feel in the institution gave me such a good feeling. And he also showed me some paintings upstairs that were supposedly done by youngsters, but they didn't look like that. They looked so professional, and that's what I was mentioning to him. That shows what a great job is being done here. And I'm particularly happy to announce here that this institution is getting affiliated with our university very shortly. So that is also significant. My coming here is a significant thing, because only recently we had the inspection of this place and we were all extremely happy and likely to be approved, and officially the orders will come for the affiliation very soon. And I'm also very happy to see that Srimati Shobhana Swaminathan is the principal here. Most deserving person to be here. She's a very wonderful Veena artist who has, she was one of the 66 Veena artists who had performed in the presence of Honorable Chief Minister in Puratchi Thalaivi Amma's, during the chess championship inauguration. And so I'm very happy to see that she's the principal here today. And also I particularly appreciate the melodious concert she gave. It may be only 2 songs, but they were extremely touching. Yeah. And I'm sure the students of Veena and even the vocal group that had performed now with the teacher was very nice. And the music and arts, and with the kind of dedication Mr. Venkatachalapati is showing, I have known him on the few occasions that I've met. I could see how dedicated he is, and his dedication will take him a very long way, because I can say this in experience. And here he's not only dedicated, he's so extremely talented. I was floored by his paintings downstairs. Actually, they say in music there is Nada Yoga, but even in drawing and painting is yoga, looking at colors constantly, and colors relate to chakras. And no wonder there is a saying that, drawing and painting gives self-enlightenment. It is a yoga. So all of you are students of music and fine arts are actually performing yoga. It gives so much of relaxation of mind. I'm sure you all must be experiencing it. And apart from academic achievement, I also wish all of you a lot of spiritual achievement through your fine arts and through your pursuit of fine arts. And I wish Kamakshi Kalaikudam. Kamakshi is the goddess I worship. That's why when I saw the name Kamakshi, I was sentimentally very attached to this institution. And I'm sure the goddess will take you a very long way. Thank you very much again.
I now wish to introduce to you our guest of honor, Mrs. Uma Venkatesan. She belongs to the Indian Revenue Service. She joined the Indian Revenue Service in 1994 and has worked in various sections. Mrs. Uma Venkatesan is currently posted as the Additional Commissioner of Income Tax, Chennai. We are very proud to say that she is also our student of our Kalaikudam for the past 18 years. Madam, we would like you to say a few words.
My master, Guruji, I still call him drawing master, Mr. Venkatachalapati. The first 3 students which he said he started the Kalaikudam with, I am one of them. I am proud to say that I am one of them. And I am so happy to see how well it has grown to where it has grown, and now to the extent of even getting an affiliation from the university to so that the students passing out from here will be given a degree, a diploma, etc., etc. I'm really proud, and I mean, I don't know whether I have been a student of the Kalaikudam for last 18 years, but I have been associated with the Kalaikudam for 18 years, because I have not been able to come frequently because of work pressures, etc. But I used to try to ensure that one of my paintings come in this exhibition every year, and unfortunately this year I could not display a painting. I'm very disappointed about it, but I'm so happy to see there are such wonderful paintings out there, and I'm so happy also that the youngsters of today we are able to draw them away from the TV and make them sit and do something worthwhile. And that is what Venkatachalapathy is achieving. And I am telling you all parents, you should encourage your students to come, your children to come here, because we are giving them something to do apart from just general what they do in school, and then they waste their time in doing everything else. Here you are able to make them creative, and that is going to stand for them during their lifetime. So you should encourage them into such activities, and I'm glad that so many parents have come here today to encourage and to the children and Mr. Venkatachalapathy. Thank you very much, Madam Gayatri, for appreciating the activities of this Kalaikudam, and I am very happy to be sharing the dais now with you. Thank you very much, Madam. Thank you for calling me.